this man.
You know what? And you know the strategy of to do a good hip hop show, street dance show.
What is it?
I mean, there's a lot of elements, but two of the most important elements: a good DJ and a good MC.
There you go.
If you have a good DJ and a good MC, you are set. Because if you stuff up at any point in the show, the DJ can play music, the MC can do their thing, and it'll make people happy. So those two things, it's like in the business world, you negotiate everything except for your lawyer and your accountant. You never negotiate your lawyer and accountant. I learned that from one of my mentors. Because if you pay them properly, they will make you more money. So it's like that. The two people in a street dance event, DJ and MC.
Yeah, and then we were just talking about having a good team, so that way when it comes time to execute, you just oversee and you're not stressed. I like what you're talking about that.
Yeah. So you need to be really organized, and you need to have key people, certain good people around you that you can trust. And one thing I always do, I always have trainees.
Trainees?
Always have trainees, because I know that people around me, they may not be there forever.
Yeah.
I always have trainees every time. For example, I have my stage manager.
Yeah.
I'll have a stage manager trainee, just
like shadowing him?
Yeah, shadowing.
Oh.
I always have. And the trainees can be 16-year-olds, because there's a lot of 16-year-olds who are looking for things, but and they're hungry.
Yeah.
I really like seeing those young ones. I have a lot of 15, 16-year-olds
that
I mentor, and they're so hungry. But if you don't capture that hunger, if you don't feed that hunger, that hunger can go elsewhere.
Yeah.
It could be drugs, or it could be just boredom or gaming. Just sitting down there.
No, yeah, there's professional gaming.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, if they
procrastination gaming.
Yeah, procrastination where it's not productive.
Yeah. But yeah, so always have trainees, I find, and also because when you have trainees, then you can figure out if they're good or not. Because sometimes they might seem hungry, but on the day
they don't show up, they don't perform.
Yeah, and you always have to find the lions, spot for the lions, and then if you spot a lion, you have to focus on the lions, because the law of 80-20, right?
Yeah.
20% are the lions, 80% are the average kind of. The 80% will not perform 100%, and the thing is, you have to respect that as well. If somebody's performing at a 30%, they're a 30% person. Let them be a 30% person.
Yeah, you can't force them to become what they're not.
And I used to be opposite that. I used to be you guys need to go hard out, military, because that's how I was taught. But then it's not always pleasing to everybody. I mean, me, I like being pushed like that. But not every strategy has the same result. Like a friend of mine said, boiled water hardens an egg but softens a carrot.
Oh yeah.
Right?
So everyone's different.
They're different. I'm whoa, that is so crazy.
Yeah.
So just different. It makes it a bit tougher as a director to have different strategies, but it's up to you.
Yeah.
Figure it out.
And I like that what you also did in terms of service and the people game, and or it about being people instead of money. You guys going to the side? That way.
One time, I think, one person back in high school, someone said computer engineering is about people. And I'm like, what? It's not about. It's about technology. Now I understand.
Yeah.
Even the most unpeople-like profession.
Yeah.
Is about people. is about serving people.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
because ultimately it's the people that get the product.
Yeah, like this gimbal. I mean, it was made by ones and zeros, right? But it's for us to use, to film.
Yeah, to vlog. Capture all our craziness of the day.
Moments, which makes people happy, makes us connect with other people from, our families who are not in the same city. That's why we vlog.
Yep.
So it's still about people.
Yeah.
It's very important, kind of mindset. Yep, that's it.
Alright, so we were in the middle of this conversation. I said I'd see you guys in the car, but this was nuggets and some real stuff that, hope you guys find valuable. Anyways, back to the car.